Alright, hi guys, so this video is going to be an updated hair review on my Bella Pella Boutique hair. So I'm wearing 4 bundles and a closure, and I cannot remember the name of this hair, but I'll of course have it linked in the description bar below as well as in the title. Now when I was looking back, because it's 2016, so I was looking back, I was like, how long have I had this hair? And I've had this hair for 8 months. The last video I uploaded was 8 months ago of my Bella Pella Boutique hair, and I'm going to link as well below the video that I did because because that video has unboxing of the hair and it shows you what the hair comes in. I've done I think a couple of videos with the hair curled, and I showed you guys how I curled the hair as well. And this is the hair's natural curl pattern. Like, this is it. Like, that's the natural curl pattern of the hair. I love the natural curl pattern of this hair. Now let's talk about the pros and the cons. So this hair is 8 months old, and one of the cons, well, before I had told you guys that it was shedding. Since I've placed it on this wig, I have not gotten that much shedding again. I don't know if it's because I had it sewn in and I was constantly combing it and it was constantly rubbing on my neck or whatever, and then I would wrap it up in the night. Maybe that could be attributed to the shedding, not sure. But since I've had this wig on, I haven't had much shedding at all, like 1 and 2 strands literally. I co-washed this hair and I put a serum in there, just like this serum thing, I can't remember the name of it, but that's all I have on the hair. So you're seeing not quite the natural luster, but this is not far from the natural luster of the hair. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. It is beautiful. I love the natural curl pattern, and I can't wait to straighten it. This is what she looks like straightened. Oh my goodness, it's snagging on my necklace, on the back of my necklace. Sorry. See, I can't wait to see what she looks like straightened, but right now, yes. And the thickness, look at that. The thickness goes all the way down to the tip. You know, sometimes for virgin hairs, they kind of thin out when it gets closer to the into the hair, which is natural for even your own human hair. But this, the fullness is maintained throughout, which I absolutely love about Bella Pella Boutique. What else? I really have nothing bad to say about this hair. I think I broke a nail and it's snagging. Other than that, this hair is just, I love it. I love it. I'm glad I put it on a wig, because I had this hair like wrapped up in like this cloth bag thingy, and I took it out day before yesterday, made the wig that day, co-washed it that night, and I allowed it to air dry, and then I wore it yesterday and today. Yesterday and today. So yeah, so that's it basically on my update 8 months later on this hair. So I would definitely say if you have virgin hair, put it on make it into a wig, sew it on itself. There are a lot of videos on YouTube showing guys how to make virgin hair or how to do virgin hair. So I would definitely say how to make wigs. So I definitely say watch some videos like that. But this hair, definitely having it on, definitely turning it into a wig, really did me some justice. Love how it moves. It looks really nice and natural, and of course having a closure. But I'll have the specs linked in the description bar below. Just want to come by and let you guys know that 8 months later and we're still going strong. So guys, so basically, you know, nothing bad to say about this hair. I mean, it's gorgeous. I love it. So Bella Pella Boutique, good job on this hair, bubbles, amazing quality. Love the length that I got, and I think it's a 24-inch, and I'm really loving this length. It's doable. You know, I love me some long hair, but it's doable. I love this length. So that's basically it for this updated video. Really short to the point. So far, the only issue I had was shedding, and since I put it on the wig, since I made it into a wig rather, I haven't gotten any shedding. So I don't know. Yeah, that's basically it. Love this hair. Oh, snagging a little bit right at the back here. Right, you can see my wig thingy, but a little bit at the back here, where it's rubbing on my neck, and my neck is sweating, rubbing, you know. So I get some snags right here, but throughout the entire hair, it's good to go. It is good to go. Look at it. Oh, it looks so nice. I love it. So this is definitely one of my faves. Definitely one of my high class faves. This is really good hair, and yeah, give them a check out. I'll link their social media in the description bar below, and everything else, the specs of the hair as well will be linked in the description bar below. So that's it, you guys, for this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and also turn on your post notifications so you can see whenever I upload a video, because sometimes YouTube doesn't send it straight to your inbox, or you're not notified rather. Also, like if you have any suggestions or any videos that you want to see, please go ahead and leave a comment. And remember, we're on road to 500,000 subs here on YouTube. We're currently at 146,000, so do go ahead and subscribe and share this video and everything like wild. So, alright guys, talk in the next one. Bye. So this is my vlog channel, Lyric Uncut, and all I have to do is go under here, Lyric Uncut, then you have subscribe. You click this little worky thingy, click it, and then you select send me all notifications for this channel, and then you click and then you click save, and that's it. So whenever I upload anything at all, you'll be one of the first to know what I have uploaded.